Hello, hello, hello. Hey guys, Eric Salgado here. And today I had a question from one user, Dan Barrett. He's a very, very nice guy. And I'm sorry, man, I just being able to do that at this time. It was a crazy day, so it's 9 p.m. And sorry it took so long, but let's do this. So then I have a question. Okay, so this is the scenario. I have 5 funnels with 5 different lead magnets, but I want to use just one email list, right? So how can I work with just one email list in all those funnels, and I'm going to collect all the emails on this list, but I can have tags so I will know who came through this funnel, this funnel, this funnel, and this funnel, this funnel, and then everybody's going to be on the same list. If you want to send a campaign, you're going to select by tags, and you're going to be able to send the right campaign for the right leads, right? Okay, I would do 5 funnels with 5 email lists. It's easier because every single email list, you're going to configure the pending subscription page and then the subscription confirm page for the list. So every list should work with one funnel, and every funnel should work with one list. But there is a way that you can do the way you want to do, just one list with multiple funnels, all right? I'm going to try to show you how to do it, but to make it easier for you to understand, it's going to be a little bit longer because I'm going to create the whole thing. I'm going to create the funnel, I'm going to create the whole thing. The only thing that I'm not going to do it is to create the lead magnet and the content and everything, all right? So I'm going to share my screen with you guys. Here we go. So now you can see my screen here. So first thing, we're going to start on Mailingboss. So I'm going to come to Mailingboss here. And then I'm going to create a list. I'm going to give a name. Let's call lead magnet. Oops, lead magnet funnel. Lead magnet funnel. Okay. Display name. Lead. Let's just copy and paste. Copy and paste in. Copy and paste. And then double opt-in. That's all good. And boom. List is done. It's okay. I don't have to go through all this thing. I could do, but I don't want to waste your time. So list is done. It's okay. Good. Now let's go to the canvas to build the funnel. List is done. Now go to the canvas. Add a funnel. I want to call then just like this. Then Barrett. Funnel, I don't know if this is how we should. I guess it's like this. Okay, so then, man, if I'm doing wrong, I'm sorry. All right. Okay, so that's going to be the funnel, and then the funnel is to generate the leads, and those are the funnels I have to generate the leads. Already done. I can create my own, but I'm going to use one of this lead magnet funnel. Then I have here some themes. Let's choose one. Let's see the agency, how it looks. Okay, agency looks good. That's the theme. And then, boom, select. Okay, so this is it. The funnel is done. Lead magnet page, confirm email, right? And then download page and the form. So most important thing here is the form. Right click, edit element. So I'm going to go to the form, select Mailingboss, select the list. Lead magnet funnel, pending subscribe is already here, this page, and subscribe confirm this is this page. All right, so we are good to go. Now I'm going to change the name of this page because I don't want to call this download page. I want to call this one here thank you, right? Just like this, thank you. Okay, cool. That's it, pretty much it. Lead magnet, confirm your email, thank you page, and then the email form, all right? Let's create the website. Give a name. Let's call then one. Okay, and boom, create the website. All right, so let's go to edit. I created the website in the canvas. Now it's driving me to the site builder so I can edit the website, right? So very, very important for you guys to know every time that you create a site on Canvas, you're gonna edit, you have to move stuff in every single page, all right? You have to move a little bit the header and move something on the page, or the footer, or whatever it is. You have to move a little bit on the header, on the footer, and on the page. So the system will see that you changed something and it's gonna save, okay? So that's gonna be my final number one. So let's put the number one here, I don't get lost, okay? Cool, now pay attention then, because this is the most important thing on this whole funnel, okay? Here, where you have the URL, you already have something like paying subscription is going to take people to the confirmation mail page, and then the subscription confirm thank you page, all right? That's going to be the thank you page in confirm mail for this funnel. So this list will be connected with this funnel, and this is not what you want to do. You don't want to have this list, right, this form connected to this funnel only. You're going to have the freedom to connect this thing in other funnels. So this is what you're going to do. Click here to edit. So return to the previous menu, and then we're going to select our web address. And this is the web address we are going to use, okay? https :, and then / URL _ origin / thank you, okay? So if you are going to use URL _ orange or origin, sorry, / thank you, it's gonna work in every single funnel you're gonna do it, okay? But make sure that every single funnel you are going to work have this thank you page just like that. Thank you. That's the URL of the page. The main domain / thank you, just like this. If you do wrong, it's not gonna work, okay? Save. That's it. Same thing here on the thank you page. Actually, this is the most important. Is the thank you page where you wanna have this kind of stuff. Boom, boom, all right? So then, this is the most important thing, okay? URL _ origin, oh my God, / thank you, all right? And confirm. Boom. Now, this email form is going to work with any funnel you're gonna build, okay? Cool. But we have to do two more things here on this system. Let's go back to the Mailingboss. I'm gonna go to the side menu, integration key, and I'm gonna copy this code, the integration key, and I'm gonna put it here on the editor. Where? On the layout. Here is the layout, right? And then I'm gonna configure the layout right here. Here is the pages, and here is the layout. I'm gonna configure the layout right here. Back there, Mailingboss, this integration key, this is the key, save, done, okay? All right. Let's see this page. Confirm email, it's all good. The only thing that I have to do is change a little bit of the page, move stuff on the page, it's all good. And then let's see the thank you page. That's the page that we are going to work now. Move stuff a little bit. All good. Move it, move it, move it, move it. All right. Okay. So this is the thank you page. Now, on this thank you page, I will have to put a tag, because what I want to do is people are going to come to this opt-in page. They're going to give me the email. They're going to confirm the email. They're going to come to the download page, where is the thank you page, right? To download the lead magnet that they subscribe. And then when they download, I'm going to give the tag. All right, guys? Okay, cool. Now let's create the tags. Going back to Mailingboss, the same place, integration key, okay? I already had created those tags here, so we can save time, but it's really, really easy. All you have to do is add a row. Reference is the name of the tag, lead 4, for example, okay? In 0 seconds, choose the list, same list, and then action, that would be insert a tag, right? And that would be lead 1. Let's do everything again. Let's do. I will do everything again, so you guys don't get confused. Let's me delete, and I'm gonna do it again, so you guys follow the process since the beginning. Okay, so same page, add a row, reference. I'm gonna call lead 1 because it's the first funnel. 0 seconds. Choose the list, and then action give a tag, and tag I'm gonna call lead1, okay? That's the tag. You can call whatever you want. Save rule. Okay, another one, same thing, reference will be lead2, 0, and then same funnel, action start tag, and then lead2. Okay, boom, that's it. And one more, put it up, lead3, lead3. Bam, 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 lead3, lead3. Okay, so now I have the 3 tags. I could have 5, 10, whatever it is, okay? So everyone who's gonna come to this first funnel and download this product is going to get the tag lead1. So I'm gonna open this page where they are going to download, right? And then on the bottom of the configuration of this page, I'm gonna just put the reference lead1, okay? That's the reference, okay? Mailingboss reference tag, lead1, save. And that's pretty much it, all right, guys? So you have the opt-in page where you have to make sure you change the URL for this. And once you do that, you don't have to do it anymore. This form will always work for every single funnel. You don't have to do this anymore, okay? Cool, that's the first thing. Second thing here is on the layout, put the Mailingboss K. And the third thing is here on the pages, you're gonna put the tag on the page you want it. So you wanna have on the thank you page, you're gonna put the tag reference here. Okay, guys, that's pretty much it. Let's save. Save. And the funnel, first funnel is done. First funnel is done. Now let's go back to my Pixel Perfect Site Builder. And see, this is the website, right? I'm gonna publish. Let's put this thing online. That's really, really cool. And now let's connect a domain on this one. Domain I'm gonna do is gonna be then1.ericsalgado.com. All right, and boom, boom, and it's working. Reloaded, okay. That's activated SSL, good. And now I'm gonna duplicate the funnel, good. So let's create the second funnel, right? The second funnel I'm gonna create over this funnel right here that I have created before, right? Did I duplicate? Again, I don't think so. Let's do it again. Duplicate. It's reloading, and now it's gonna come. Yeah, duplicate 2 times. Okay, so that's the first one. Let's do the second one, okay? So let's add it. That's going to be number 2. Let's add it here, number 2, all right? Now, again, I don't have to do anything here because already comes with the URLs, all right? Because it is on the list, so you don't have to change. Since I duplicated the website, I don't have to do anything on the layouts because I already have the Mailingboss key here, all right? And the only thing that I have to do is go to the thank you page and change the reference. Now this one is lead 2, all right, because it's the second funnel, okay? I'm gonna move a little bit here, stuff on this page. I'm gonna move this thing here, move a little bit the footer just to make sure the system is gonna save all the parts of my layout. That's okay. All pages and moved stuff, just this one, and boom, and boom, and boom, and change the layer, boom. And it was too much, boom. And then just bring this guy here. And I messed up the whole thing. Let me fix it. That's not the point, I know, but anyway, I like to do those things like this. Okay, cool. And then save. All right, so this funnel is good to go because I just duplicated and actually pretty much I'm working on the content, okay? Let's close, leave, and let's put a domain, connect the domain. I'm gonna call then chu.ericsalgado.com, save, and publish. Okay, it's gonna reload. Then two, then one. Awesome. Let's do this last one. So edit. That's the funnel number 3. Almost there, guys. Okay, number 3. That's the funnel number 3. Okay. Again, here I don't have to do anything because the URL is already there. On the layouts, I don't have to do anything because the Mailingboss key is already there, right? The only thing that I have to do is change the reference on the thank you page where I want to have the tag. So that would be lead 3 and save. Okay, cool. And guys, even if you are not duplicating the funnel, it's okay. When you are going to bring this list is going to come with the URLs because once you put the URL in one funnel, the URL will be in that list like forever. So that's why this is kind of a generic URL, all right? Okay, it's going to be, this URL is going to connect on the, it's not connected on the funnel, it's connected on the list, but it's a generic URL. It's going to work for every single funnel, okay? Cool. Let's just move stuff around for 1 second, and then this page right here, move stuff around like this, all good. And the last one, move stuff around, like this, and boom, everybody's happy. Save, save. Awesome. Let's close the editor and connect a domain. That would be then 3.ericsalgado.com and save, and that's it, and publish. And I guess Dan was expecting a faster video, but I did the whole thing, man, so I make sure you don't miss anything here. All right, so I have those 3 funnels. I have to add, oops, it's active already. Activate SSL is all active. Let me see. Active this one and active SSL on this one. This one's already good. All right, so we're good to go, guys. We are good to test it. Let's go to the Mailingboss. Let's go to the list. Okay, so this is my list, right? I want to have all the funnels bringing people to the same list, but with the different tags. So let's see if this thing is working. So let's test the funnel number 1. Okay, on the funnel number 1, I'm gonna subscribe as Eric Salgado 1 and Eric 1. Okay, get instant access. And that's the thank you page, and boom, it's done. Okay, so I am on the funnel number 1, Eric Salgado 1. Okay, let's close this guy and let's go to the funnel number 2. Boom, funnel number 2. So I'm gonna use a different email. That's gonna be Eric Salgado 2, and the name will be Eric Salgado 2. And get instant access, and boom, I'm done. I am on the page. I'm gonna download your product. Good. And then let's try the funnel number 3. Email Eric Salgado 3, and name that's going to be Eric 3, and we are good to go. Boom, good to go. And boom, I am on the thank you page of the funnel 3. So 3 different funnels, 3 different lead magnets, 3 different thank you pages, all good. Let's see now how this thing is going to show up on Mailingboss. Now let's reload. Oh, so here, as you see, I have 3 leads on this list, all right? Now let's see those guys. Boom. There you go. So you have Eric Salgado 1 with the tag lead 1. Eric Salgado 2 with the tag lead 2. Eric Salgado 3 with the tag lead 3. That's it, guys. It's working. Good luck, all right? Again, well, I don't have to say everything again because you can watch the video again, but to make easier, first thing you have to do is integration key, create the list, obviously, and then create the tags here, okay? Put this integration key on the layout of your website, put the tags, first you have to do that, integration key on the layout of your website. And then you're gonna put the reference of the tags on the pages that you wanna give the tag. Doesn't have to be the thank you page, could be any page, right? And then on the website, right, here on the form, you always, actually I'm gonna open a new website so you guys can see a perfect vision of this. I'm gonna open a new website. New website, blank page, boom, 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 and then edit the blank page. Okay, okay, come on. Let's suppose that would be funnel number 4, okay? I'm gonna bring the email marketing form, all right? Then right click, configure. Oh, I have to save before. Let's save this guy. Let's save. Funnel 4, okay. Okay, that's good. After saving, okay, now again, configure. I'm gonna choose Mailingboss, and then I'm gonna choose this list. And once I choose this list, guess what? The URL is already there. So that's why I told you guys, every time that you're gonna bring this form with this list, you don't even have to touch the URL. It's gonna be already there, the URLs, all right? It's pretty much the Mailingboss key on the layouts and the Mailingboss references on the pages you wanna give the tags, all right? Okay, let me stop sharing. I hope you guys understood. I know it's a little bit confused. Again, I could do that in 10 minutes, but I decided to do the whole funnel so you don't miss any point of the whole process. And that's it, all right? Thank you very much, guys. Have a good night. Bye-bye.